We're out here at the Truemont Sandbox again. We've got our base leveled out, ready to go. We're going to put down a little bit of Kodah Wall for you. I'll show you some quick install tips on our Kodah Wall project, how you can use it in a freestanding application. The corner block, as you can see, it's going to come in one size, a 21-inch size. It has one tapered edge. The other side is going to have your rock-based texture. There's going to be different face textures on every single corner block that you have. You have the face texture on the front and back, and then a finished top as well. So now that we're level front and back with our corner block unit, which is what's going to be showing on the side, if you're standing on this side of the freestanding wall, we're going to continue on with this taper. As you bring your next block up, as you can see, the block that lays down already has a taper heading that way. You've got two tapered sides on our straight wall block for the Kodah. So you're just going to want to match that in a freestanding application to tie it in. Loctite seams on both sides. There's no space in the joints. You got tight joints going all the way through on your freestanding application. So as we continue on with the base layer, we're just going to make some slight adjustments using a deadhead hammer and a level to make sure that your base layer is completely level. So that by the time you have your first layer completely laid, the rest of the block can just be laid and you can run it. Now, as we approach the end of our freestanding wall, we want to make sure that we're using another corner unit with the tapers you can see tying into the existing wall that we have here already. So now we're going to put in this other corner unit on this side to ensure you have rock face on all sides of it. Once your first course is set and leveled, you're ready to start laying the second layer. What you want to do as you're building up is to ensure that every block that you grab off of the pallet isn't going to line up with your seams as you head up the wall. As you can see now, with the Kodah Wall, you have 4 different sizes. 12-inch size is going to be your smallest, 21-inch, 30-inch, and a 42-inch size to give you a completely natural look when building a freestanding or retaining wall application. Both of the seams in the center of that block and the end of this block doesn't line up with any of the seams on the layer below. So there you have it, the Kodah freestanding application here with the dimensional coping top, all in the coastal blend color, the great accent with the sand below it. If you were looking to start your next project and using Rosetta, you could find at TruemontMaterials.com under the Where to Buy section, we have a map of all of our stocking and non-stocking dealers in the Florida and South Georgia area. Or you can shoot us a call at 904-607-5986. That'll go directly to my cell number. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the Rosetta product.